Mombasa, kamati mar od bura mar rango ochumi mag nembe osiro paro mar timo nonro mabiro yango kwan rech e nam Mataro mano manam chumbi. Ka giloso Mombasa bang' romo kod jatend migawo mar mwandu manie bolo kod nembe alias Joho gikoni gedo mar kambi rech ma Liwatoni mondo tieki mar konyo johala man kono. Joho lero ni nonro ber kendo biro chiwo thuolo ne joket mondo mowuok e pinje maoko. Kata kamano okoni chik nyaka keti mabiro tayo chenro no makare ne pinje madiher bedo e kanyakla mar ohala magitimono.
We had a discussion especially around the stock assessment, which is also an important and it's a very important because we may not have investors to come around to invest in this country without information which the stock assessment needs to achieve. So this, at least it's clear because many a times people are misreported out there about counting fish using billions of money. But now at least we've got the inside information that there is need to have this information about the fish in this country so that it can attract investors and also for our own policy making. And it's also an international, in our international treaties, stock assessment is necessary.
The need to ensure institutions that work under us wakipata kazi wanafanya kwa haraka na kwa wepesi and in an accountable and transparent manner. The other is, remember we had a discussion in Parliament sometime about 2-3 months ago on the need to explain stock assessment further. So we came to Kemfri particularly to be able to get a greater or deeper understanding on matters stock assessment. And I must report that we've had a wonderful meeting. We've agreed that we'll continue to work together.